Stop everything for a moment and listen to what your heart is screaming about. Isn't it expected? Our vibrant sound. Whatever kind of music you listen to. Hip-hop, rock, classic, jazz, electronic. Just like your personal sommelier. It will give you more than just what you think. The energy of the minds, the essence of life. We put our heart and soul into the best products. In a luxurious and comfortable way, we are building the center of the audio. Change the standard to music feel, rather than music I listen to, with the motto of fun. IR International combines technologies with innovative designs. We play the touching sound of acoustic sounds,